Today we're going to have this old wood stove chimney stub removed from the roof and ceiling. I'm going to take off the stub part here in the living room in preparation and see what I'm in for restoration. This is what it looks like from the outside. Looks like there's some duct tape or something that secures the cap and a piece of cardboard. Okay, we got some nasty stuff up here. Looks like there's bug carcasses, and I can feel from the weight here in the second cardboard piece that there's going to be a lot of something coming out. Who knows what? Birds' nests, bugs. Now we're prepared for whatever comes out of that old chimney. Oh yeah. Oh.
Soot?
Nests.
Or a nest? What kind of nest? Bird?
Looks like a bird nest or something. I think they just stuffed paper in there.
Oh, okay.
The hell is this?
Is that it?
Looks like it.
Oh, good.
All right, we've got a clean pipe now. Should make the removal a lot more pleasant. That'll be the roofing guy. Looks like we got a near perfect match, old to new, using the sample tile board. So this is just a 3/4 inch nail, which voids the warranty. Warranty of what?
Warranty of your 30-year roof.
Oh, okay. Learning a lot about the roof in the process.
Huh?
The shorter nails are better if you don't want them to penetrate through the soffits or through the ends of the roof, the overhang. Unsightly that it is. Or if done right, you find the framing that's there and just only shoot the nails where the frames are. Otherwise, the short nails void the 30-year warranty of the roof.
Yeah, I try to support all the local business and stuff like that as I can.
Habitat for Humanity can make use of the old chimney. All right. Only the pipe remains.
They should have bought a cap for that.
Well, there was a cap they made.
Out of
Tape
corrugated
and
cardboard.
painted it.
Yeah.
I still don't see a fastener down below this. I'm gonna try to push it upward and you pull the pipe. Okay.
Oh, fantastic.
Sorry about your mess.
Okay, that's why we have that corner covered.
Okay, nicely done, partner. So, what they did is they stuck a really weak saw sole frame in there, and
Oh, I see nails. It's
Yeah.
nailed in.
yeah,
There's 2 nails on this side.
yeah we got
Toward
2
the
over
wall.
here.
You don't realize how long it is until you extract it from the...
Yeah. Yeah, Luke, it's gonna be better for you just to probably step down and pop those, and I'll hold this cap.
Epoxy or something?
Yeah, something good though. They shouldn't have put on there. That's for sure. There we go. That was the spot.
All right.
Awesome. You get
You're just the gal I need to talk to.
It's an uneven, wide hole up there for a chimney. That was so they could get down into the attic.
Should have been.
Well, the large hole makes it convenient for getting into the attic. Just climb on through. Well, it's straightening out the crooked hole there so it can be patched.
And the block on this side, we're going to add a block on the bottom here. And just cut it back to where it was a square. And then if there's any sheeting difference, we'll layer this ice and water shield below our underlayment. So that way it's a perfect flow onto itself.
Okay.
Install this self-adhering Vicor around the seam of the plywood before I install my synthetic underlayment,
Okay.
just to ensure any extra or any leak protection.
Perfect.
It's a top quality synthetic underlayment.
I was just informed that the existing roof nails were done improperly. They're 2 inches inside of the tile, which is too far, and it makes it too loose for the tile and potential for lifting up with wind. So he's adding nails at the right location and having to caulk the existing ones to prevent any leakage.
Because you're messing around with an old roof.
Yeah.
So I prefer to hand bang repairs because that ensures a good nail. It slows down your speed a little bit so you can kind of take care of the repair. Make sure it's done right.
The patched roof is not a perfect match, but you'd have to be hard-pressed to notice this unless you were staring at it. Having to make some adaptations here too because the trusses are not spaced properly. The last step is to patch this hole in the ceiling.